So students, now I'm going to show you the different objects that can be inserted in MS PowerPoint. So this is the first slide. How can I insert new slide? From Home tab, New Slide, any slide layout that you want. You can select a blank one or a title slide or with a section header or with title and content. You can insert, or if you want it to be of the same type, you can simply select and press the enter key and it will be inserted. Okay. So you can click and write over here in title if you want, and if you don't, you can simply select it with the four-headed arrow and you can delete it. So suppose I'm inserting pictures in this particular slide. So I have written pictures. If you want to add any text, you can do so. But here you can find some icons are here through which you can insert different objects like insert table, insert chart, insert smart art, insert media clip, which includes audios and videos, insert clip art, insert picture. Okay, I can click over here also, and I can click over on this insert tab and picture. You can see it's the same icon which is represented over here. So as soon as I click on this picture, my pictures library gets opened up. I can double click to insert, or I can simply select and click on the insert button. Okay, so I can see that the picture which I have selected has already been inserted. Now as soon as I click on the picture, you can see the picture tools format tab appears. Click on this format tab, and you can provide for a frame to this picture. Okay, a frame can be applied to the picture, and picture border can be given any color. Okay, picture effects can be given, shadow effects or glow effects can be given, reflection, 3D rotation. Okay, reflection can be given as well. All right. Now picture layout can be changed if you want it to. Apart from that, crop option, all of you are well aware of crop option. You can crop the picture according to your own desire. You can crop it. Okay. Apart from that, some corrections can be done, which means the brightness, the contrast can be changed. Color, the background colors can be changed from here. More variations options are of course here through which we can make more changes. Some artistic effect can be applied on this one if required. These are the options present, and of course based on our requirement we can use all this. Okay, so this is all about inserting pictures.